Hi friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. It is time for today's Tech Tip Tuesday in Chief Architect Premiere. I'm using version X15. This comes from a YouTube viewer, Tim Hunter 8811. I hope I understand your question correctly. I'm going to read it here. I have a question for you. How do I add a one slope roof to make the house look like a ranch style? Underneath the slope roof, I would have a finished ceiling. However, it would be an open deck. I hope I'm understanding this correctly. Let's get into this answer here. I've drawn a rectangular house, 943 square feet. I'm going to draw a porch out here, approximately 6'8", and select that. I have previously drawn this porch and deleted the railings and already defined it as porch, so that's why porch showed up automatically. Since I've drawn these railings, I'm going to select those railings and just open them and make it a wall type called deck railing / fence. And let's go to rail style and give it post to beam. And let's do a 3D overview here. That looks pretty darn close. I'm going to shift F6 so we can see both views of this plan view and 3D view. So we've got this flat ceiling of this open air porch, and then I'm going to select the two left and right walls. So 4 walls all together, this stud wall and this railing wall, this stud wall and this railing wall, and I'm going to make those gable ends. Then I'm going to go into my roof tool and define the roof the way you want: trusses, rafters, 8, 12 pitch, heel height, etc. Overhangs, let's do 12, 12. Let's give it boxed eaves and go back to roof. And if you don't already have auto rebuild roofs on, you won't get the roof. I like to do my roofs later and not make Chief Architect think so much, use my system resources. I'll come and build the roof planes later. And then once it's set where I want it, I don't want it rebuilding the roof planes, so I leave that auto rebuild off. I'm just going to manually build the roof planes here now that I've got my settings correct. And there is what I would call a ranch style house. We've got 2 slopes here, and this slope includes that porch there. So I hope I'm understanding your question appropriately, Tim. If not, feel free to respond to this video and let me know what you think. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, y'all. Take care. I do appreciate encouragement of click and like and subscribe, thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and feel free to give comments and feedback of what you think might work better or questions you might have. Take care. Have a good week.